Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my global markets forecast for the day and we are going to look into US, Europe, India and gold and silver instruments. Yesterday was a wonderful day. All the markets including gold and silver precisely behaved as the same fashion in which I have uh, predicted in my video, in my analysis. Now, what is going to happen today? Let's see. We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Please note, I am not going to make any false promise here, any glam here. It is a pure technical analysis. So do watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment here. Right now, let's start with, first we'll look into gold, then silver, then Nifty we'll skip today because anyways the India market is enjoying the Republic Day holiday, and then we'll follow with US30, US100 and Germany40 FTSE100. So let's start with gold first. Gold, as I shared yesterday, that beyond 1843 it will give you a strong breakout towards 1851 levels, 1855 levels. Now it has achieved 1853. What is going to happen? Now let's have a look at the daily charts first. On the daily charts, you will find that on the daily charts, you can see that it is very much in this trading in this channel, and you can see the highs and lows are very much aligned. So for the day, 1840, 1841 levels, you can keep that as the low, and on the upside it can in fact go till towards 1860. Probably we might see 1860 levels, as this is only two green candles, but at the same time once it breaks below 1840 we can expect it to again achieve the level at around 1832, 1831 levels. Below that it might fall significantly. However, right now it appears that it is going to remain in a bullish zone. And let's have a look at the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, after this two bullish candle, it is trying to retrace a bit, and you can see that this is a minor retracement. Possibly we might see again a breakout candle beyond this, where it will again fly off towards 1858, 1861 levels. For the week, you can see this is what two candles, three red candles, two candles, bigger green candles, then followed with three red candles, and again it will follow with a greener candle. So it has to either break this zone at 1840. Once 1840 is taken, then only we should consider this as weak, else it will continue trading in this bullish channel. The next target is towards 1858 and 1861. Probably it might see 1858, 1861 levels. Take your positions accordingly. At the level of 1840, 1841, 1842, you can take a good long entry there and possibly expect it to rise till towards 1853, 1858, 1861 levels, and keep the stop loss there at around 1839 levels. Below that you can take a short, and you can keep the stop loss at 1842 and take a target of 1833, 1832 levels. So trade accordingly. Now let's move towards silver. Now silver on the daily charts, I told you yesterday also that silver appears to be little bit bearish. However, it is giving higher lows and lower highs, and hence probably remain range bound, where again 2360 will again prove out to be a very strong support on the upside. On the flip side, if you see 2390 and 2360, in between this we might see it trading. Else, once 2360 is taken, we can see it breaking till towards 2340 levels also, where we can get it, it will get a good support, and from there we will see how it behaves. But yes, right now again for the day, till the time it is below 2390, you can expect it to break. You can expect it to again head towards 2360, 23 possibly 2360 levels, and then probably a rise again till towards 2390 or 2400. Anytime it breaks 2400, you can go long, and you can expect it to rise significantly towards 2400 plus levels, where it might go till 2440 and 2460 levels, which we have already seen. Let's have a look at the 4 hour charts. Now look at the 4 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, you can see that it is clearly giving on the near term, and on the broader term you can find that it is trying to trade in this narrow channel, or rather you can say narrowing triangle, where you can find the good support right now for the day at around 2370 and the peak at around 2390. So anytime it breaks this range, we can expect it to give you a strong breakout. So 2370, once it drops below, probably we can expect again 2360, which is going to provide a stronger support throughout this week, and probably below 2360, 2340 is another strong support. I had shared this in my weekly analysis, in the daily analysis also. Now any breakout beyond 2390 will be a good level to go long, and we can expect 2400 anyways is a strong resistance. Beyond that, it will fly away towards 2440, 2460 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Right now it is in no trade zone. Probably you have to restrain trading in silver for the day and wait a while. Now let's move towards US. Now this is US 30 on a 4-hour chart. You can see clearly that it is trying to trade here, and it is trying to trade here. This is a 4-hour chart, again providing a narrowing triangle. Now very clearly 34,500, 34,600 zone is very critical for US 30. Any breakout beyond 34,600, I have been shouting this for long now. Any breakout beyond this zone at 34,500, 600 definitely will give you a strong reversal. Remember, today is the FOMC statement. Today is the Fed interest rate decision, may appear volatile. If it has to drop with Fed statement, it will rise with cash market. It will rise initially, then it will drop with the Fed statement. Else it might try to trade in range till the time the Fed statement is out there. However, if you look at here, looking at the 4-hour charts, definitely there is a support available coming into picture at around 34,250, and then at around 34,000. Breaking 34,000, we will again see a good fall on US 30, which will try to take it towards 33,500 and below levels. Till the time it is trading between 34,000 and 34,500, precisely, rather I will say 34,250 and 34,500, we have to take extreme caution. And any breakout beyond this zone at 34,500, 34,500, I will say, it will definitely be good level to go long, and you can expect it to rise probably towards 34,700 and 34,800. In fact, can go at plus levels also. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, uh, on the daily charts, you will see higher highs, higher lows on the daily charts. However, this candle has opened below the previous candle. Now this is an important sign indicating bearishness in market, and this time the candle is going to be deep sharp red, which I expect that probably we are going to look forward to a good sharp red candle today, taking it towards 33. Probably we might see 33,500, 33 200 levels can also be seen. Probably we might see a good sharp red candle today. Till the time it remains below 34,600, you can remain short. You can expect it to drop significantly. That is my expectation, and you can keep your stop loss at 34,700. Right now, if you are going short at 34,340 levels, you can keep your stop loss at 34,700, almost 350 points, but the gain is almost 1,000 points. That is what it appears. Probably we might see again a good sharp drop. If it doesn't drop till there, in fact, we can at least expect 33,800, if not more. So at least 33,800, 33,900 can be seen today. Almost 500 points of drop can be seen, can be expected. So take your positions accordingly. Appears, looking at the charts, it is bearish till the time it remains below 33 34,400, rather I will say. You can in fact keep a stop loss very tight itself at 34,400. Wait for it to drop. Maybe by the cash market it might drop till 34,200, rise till again till towards 34,400, and then drop significantly. So take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. We have already seen the 4-hour charts. Also on the 3-hour charts, similar formation is there, hence I'll not touch base upon. But look at this. It is trying to trade here in this fashion, where you can see lower highs and higher lows, narrowing triangle. It will give you a breakout probably. Which direction we have to see, but right now 34,400 for the day should provide a resistance, breaking which we might see 34,500 and 34,600 levels. These 300s will provide a definitely stronger resistance. Any breakout beyond 34,600 will be a good level or good indicator to go long. However, it appears that we might see a bearish momentum, and You can trade with a stop loss at 34,400. You can keep short with a stop loss at 34,300, 400, and probably, or else you can take a short entry at 34,200 also, where you can expect it to drop significantly towards 34,000 and 33,800. So this is another probability. Probably you can take a short at 34,200 and with a stop loss at 34,400. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 on the opposite side, you can see it has seen a bottom here. It is providing higher lows. It is providing lower highs, narrowing triangle here again. 14,000, rather I will say 14,000 to 14,400 it is trying to trade between. Any breakout out of this zone will be very good indication that it is taken a clear cut direction towards upside or downside. Right now it is failing to go past the highs, it is failing to go past the lows, indicating consolidation in this zone. The breakout is much awaited. That is what is expected here on Nasdaq 100. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also, it is similar formation. You can see, and you can see here also, failing to go past by the highs indicates that markets are still bearish. Failing to go past the previous lows are indicating that yes, there are bulls, and there is a sideways tussle which is going on right now between the buyers and the sellers, and probably trying to close the positions right now. But yes, 14,400 to 13,950, 14,000 levels, these levels we have to look into. Probably we might see it trading in between these levels. Don't take a position between 14,000 to 14,400. You remember, rather, see, we have already seen a good drop. US 100 has already taken a good correction till now compared to other markets, whether it's US 30 or other global markets. You will find that US 100 has taken a good correction throughout this month. Hence, probably we have to take a very caution while deciding the position. So don't trade between 14,000 to 14,400. Let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you will see here higher lows and lower highs, and this is why I say 14,000 and 14,400. Don't take a position in between, and probably once it gives a breakout beyond 14,400, you can take a long entry. Below 14,000, you can take a short entry where you can expect at least 200 points towards 13,800. On the top side, once it breaks out beyond 14,400, you can take a long entry towards 14,500, where it might find a stronger resistance. 14,600, very strong resistance. Beyond that, it will fly towards 14,800, 500, 15,000 levels. Else it might probably consolidate today also, and give you a breakout later in the day. So trade accordingly. Now let's move towards FTSE 100 and Germany 40. Now FTSE 100 on the flip side, on the daily charts, you can see here. So it is trading out of this probable narrowing triangle. Probable it is trying to give you a breakout, and now the support at around 7420. Once it draws below 7420, you can take a short entry. Then rather 7380 will provide a very good support. Below 7380, it will definitely fall strongly towards 300 and 7250 levels. Till the time it remains in between this zone, 7380 to 7420, difficult to suggest a trade in between these 40 points. But right now it appears to be in a breakout, and probably it is indicating that we might see 500 also on your FTSE 100. So probably right now it's bullish. But let's have a look at 4 hour, 3 hour. Now this is 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour charts, you can clearly see that it is giving you higher lows, and you can clearly see there is a resistance available at 7500 levels, sorry, 7450 levels, where if it breaks this zone, definitely we might see a good rise on FTSE 100. And on the flip side, if it breaks 7380, definitely we might see a good fall. So any breakout beyond 7450 and 7380 will be a good indication to take a decisive direction. Beyond 7450, we can expect it to head towards 7500 and plus plus. Below 7380, we can expect it to drop significantly towards 7300 and 7250 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Right now it appears it is going to give you a bullish move. But let's have a look at 3 hour charts also. On the 3 hour charts, you can see it has consolidated here in this zone. Bottom it has taken a bullish reversal, consolidation in this zone, now trying to break out, but it has to break past 7450 for any confirmation. Right now till maybe 7450, 7460, it may trade in zone and then give you a breakout towards on the upside towards 750, 7500 and 7520 levels. On the downside, breaking 7400, 7380, definitely it will again fall back towards 7340 and in fact go till towards 7250 levels also. Probably cash market may see a UK cash market, we may see a little rise and then probably later on drop with the Fed, that is can be expected. So we have seen the 4 hour, 3 hour and daily charts. Now let's move towards Germany 40. Germany 40 on the daily charts, you will find higher lows, lower highs here, and that is what probably it has to break this zone for any decisive move. 15,100 for the day, if 15 rather I'll say 15,050 for the day, and on the top side 15,250. Now 15,250, once it's taken, then only we can consider this as reversal. It will try to head towards 15,400 and in fact can go till towards 15,450. On the downside 15,050 is taken, it can break heavily towards 14,900 and lower levels. So this is what it appears on the daily charts. On the 4 hour charts, also, see, almost all the charts are giving that there is a resistance which is fixed on the top side. On the downside, the bears are not the bulls are not letting it go off and fall, and that is why markets are trying to, almost all the markets are giving narrowing triangle right now and waiting for a breakout. The Fed statement probably will be a strong push for the breakout today, and that is why I say 15,250 levels, if it takes away today 15,300, once it breaks, definitely it will give you a strong breakout towards 15,500. On the downside, once 15,050 levels are taken, you can expect it to drop towards 14,900 and below levels. So similar formation what we saw on UK 100, what we saw on US market, similar formation on Germany 42. Right now it appears that it is going to give you a bullish breakout, but these are markets, see, lower highs, higher lows, and hence similarly as I said 15,250 to 15,050, don't trade in between these 200 points. Any breakout beyond this zone will be a good indication that it is going to touch 15,500 or 14,800 levels. So trade with caution. This is all for markets, and those who have not yet joined Telegram channel, they can join the Telegram channel. Reach out to me for trading or training. My email IDs and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the description. I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.